touch on every landlord's nightmare of finding a tenant. But let's throw in a curveball and talk about finding a tenant during COVID. One thing every landlord should understand is that finding the right tenant may take time. And unfortunately, during the pandemic, that timeline may be extended. The first thing you should do is invest in high quality photos. Now, more than ever, most tenants want to ensure the property they're visiting is something that they'd like to live in. Secondly, if you're not comfortable doing face-to-face meetings, set up a Zoom account or FaceTime your potential tenant to avoid unnecessary contact. Thirdly, talk to your tenant about e-transferring first and last month's rent instead of collecting a certified check. The money can be easily deposited into your account without ever leaving your home. Lastly, there are many apps and programs that allow you and your tenant to sign your lease agreement electronically. Again, foregoing an actual meeting and getting it all done in cyberspace. Like always, don't forget to check all references thoroughly and get a rental application filled out. My name is Cora and I'm with Citylite Realty. And I want you to know that I'm here for everyone in our community. If you have any questions at all about your home, about selling your home, about the community that we live in, or even about income properties, and especially how the COVID situation is affecting you, please ask me, and I promise I will get back to everybody and answer all of your questions. Remember, I'm here for you, and as always, please stay safe.